tired. Oh, after a long walk. See how long I'm walking all along from those sides. You can see from the back there the way I am walking. I just came out for a walk and then I'll go back. Also, I'll have to fetch something from the side. That's why you have seen me outside here. Oh, thanks a lot for coming back here to watch my channel again. Whoever is new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, leave some comments here. My name is Kerry Mission on my YouTube channel. You can see how the village looks. Yep. So now the plants are like this. We are in the month of the October, so the harvest will be on the month of December and January. That's when the people will be harvesting. See, this is the spinach here. This is the spinach. These are some nuts and some corn. You can see how green they are. Remember, I'm going to the side. That's where we have some vegetables. That's why I should be fetching vegetables from there all day, every day. The sun is overhead. It's around 2 o'clock, like 2:30, as you can see here. See how the village looks, very green. People have planted a lot of plants. Welcome to another video. My name is Kerry. Welcome back again to watch my channel again. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. That's a better way of supporting me here at the village. It is another time that we have met. God has given us a chance that we are breathing here. It's another day. So here today we are going to do some lemonade. That's like a village life, like. So when you have finished walking, maybe if you have gone out for a walk, and then you can come home and do your lemonade here. So for those ones who are new here, my name is Kerry Mission on my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back again here to watch my channel again. For new subscribers, new viewers, thank you a lot. You have given me the support, the strength here from the village. Even my heart is just beating very happy every day. So thank you so much again and again. I can't stop thanking you. So this is where we hang clothes. You can see one of the clothes is left there, and these are the the firewood that I usually use for cooking here. So here we have to go, and I show you what we are going to use today. So actually, guys, sorry, this is the lemons that I'm going to use here, plus the ginger. I have also ginger. That's what we are going to use actually. So I have to go and bring some water so that we start making the lemonade. Village lemonade is just so simple. You don't need any stress here. It's such an evening, as you can see. This is how the village looks here. How the village looks. This is how it is. From the village here, talking like Kerry Mission. Thank you so much. Let's bring some water so that we can do the lemonade now. Guys, leave some comments here if this is the kind of jug that you use at your home to put some drinking water. Leave some comments and give the video a like. Hope you enjoyed this video here. So this is what the jug that we are going to use. So this is it. We have to wash the lemon. I'm going to use like 3 of them. We wash them. This is how we wash them at the village. We open the jar and then I cut the lemon. This is how we cut them. We dip them inside. Inside. Sorry, my knife is not that. This is it, how it looks, and then this is the ginger here. So I have to grate the ginger inside the water. Look how it looks. Also, I need the branch of the lemon here. This is it. You can see it from here. So we have to cut one of it. Wow, this is it. I need this one here. See how it looks. Yummy, yummy. So you have to dip it inside. You have to cut and you have to be careful. You have to dip it inside. So you will cover it. That's how it looks. And this one you are going to have it in the morning when you have maybe you have gone for a teas or you have gone out from the gym. You can have this one here. This is going to cut your weight, your slimposis. That's how I can call it. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming back again to watch my channel again. I hope you're enjoying this video. Let's meet in another video. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao, bye. See you in another video. Bye bye. Thanks a lot. Village. This is how we do our slimposis in the village here. Wow, enjoy, 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 enjoy. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao. Bye.